In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your browsing experience on Tripadvisor by changing the language and country settings. Let's dive in and explore how to make the most out of your travel planning by tailoring the site to your preferences. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to tripadvisor.com. This is your launching pad for an adventure of information, reviews, and tips from travelers around the world. Once you're on the home page, take a leisurely scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page. This area of a website often contains those all-important settings you might not notice in the flurry of images and destinations higher up on the site. As you reach the bottom of the page, keep an eye out for the section labeled Language, Country. In this context, the language setting determines the language in which the website's content will be displayed, while the country setting influences the currency displayed, and sometimes even the type of content you see, tailoring it to regional preferences. Click on the Language/Country link. When you do, a menu will gracefully appear, offering you the chance to personalize your viewing experience. Here, you can select from a variety of languages, such as English, US, English, UK, or perhaps English Philippines, if that suits your needs better. Selecting the language you're most comfortable with will help streamline your experience on the site, making sure instructions, reviews, and even navigational elements are as accessible as possible. Similarly, under the same menu, you'll find the option to choose your preferred country. This step is particularly important as it dictates the currency that will be displayed in listings, and sometimes even influences the availability of certain services or businesses. It's a small customization, but choosing the right country can help make the travel planning process feel a little more straightforward and tailored to your needs. After you've selected your preferred language and country, the site will automatically refresh to reflect the changes you've made. This refresh is essential as it recalibrates all the relevant details on the site to align with your choices, presenting results that are tailor-made to your regional specifications. Now you're all set to plan your trips, check out reviews, and even book accommodations in a way that feels intuitive and personalized. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've taken control of your TripAdvisor experience, ensuring that every bit of information is presented to you in a familiar language and regional context. Happy exploring, and may your travels be as seamless as your journey through TripAdvisor settings today.